Hi, Megan with WTI, and do you think all beauty blenders are the same? Because I think not. Okay, pardon my dad joke, but honestly, I really love these beauty blenders by THINKA. They are top-notch quality. I've tried a lot of beauty blenders, some of the highest rated ones on Amazon, and these compare to those ones. They really help me to achieve an airbrushed look with my foundation. All I do is put it under some water so that it expands to double its size, and then I dab it on to blend my makeup. This way I'm using hardly any of my foundation. I'm getting full coverage. These sponges are so soft on my skin. They're a great density. I love keeping my sponges all together, especially closed up in a container. It keeps them clean. It also helps them stay upright when drying. These are also very easy to clean. I do recommend cleaning them right after you finished using them, but honestly, I have been in a rush and cleaned them the next morning without an issue. I just use a mild soap with it and it cleans right off. Nothing really gets absorbed into the sponge, none of the makeup, just the water. Honestly, if you want to achieve a flawless look with your foundation and your contours, I definitely recommend these beauty blenders by THINKA. You are absolutely gonna love them as much as I love them. And that's my point of view.